Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Apple AirPods, widely regarded as the pinnacle of wireless earbuds. Let's see if they live up to the hype. The Apple AirPods are renowned for their seamless integration and exceptional sound quality. Powered by the Apple H1 headphone chip, they deliver a rich, immersive audio experience that enhances everything from music to podcasts. Starting with design, these AirPods feature a sleek, minimalist look that's instantly recognizable. The earbuds are incredibly lightweight and fit comfortably in your ears, making them ideal for extended wear during commutes or workouts. When it comes to sound, the AirPods excel with clear highs and deep, satisfying bass. Whether you're enjoying music or taking calls, the audio remains crisp and well-balanced, thanks to their sound isolation capabilities. Connectivity is where these AirPods shine. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology and the Apple H1 chip, pairing them with your devices is effortless. They seamlessly switch between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and the Hey Siri feature allows for hands-free control. Battery life is impressive, offering more than 24 hours of listening time with the included charging case. A quick 15-minute charge provides up to 3 hours of listening, ensuring you're never without your favorite tunes. Users praise the AirPods for their intuitive touch controls, allowing you to play, pause, or skip tracks with a simple tap. They automatically pause when you take them out and resume when you put them back in, enhancing convenience. In conclusion, the Apple AirPods stand out as the best wireless earbuds for Apple enthusiasts. With outstanding sound quality, seamless connectivity, and a comfortable fit, they're a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their audio experience. That wraps up our review of the Apple AirPods. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.